one back here, like so. Get this out of the way. And let's go ahead and get a little bow on that. Okay, so we're just gonna roll out a cord. And just do a real basic, like little figure eight almost. If I can do a figure eight here. Yeah, yeah. Take some of this off, kind of twist it a bit. And I'll put a little button in the front of it, like so. Okay. And then we can add some grass. So squeeze, pull one way, squeeze, pull another way. If there's a little area that, like this area right in here where I think it looks a little sloppy, I'm going to squeeze some grass in there. And it just adds another color, another dimension to your cakes. Looks like we're doing pretty good on the tail this time. So after this, just a tiny bit of painting and we are done. Yay! Okay, let me just get my colors and we'll finish them up. Okay, I've just poured a little bit of the silver luster dust in a little lid, and I'm taking some lemon juice and try to just put a dab in and mix it up for my paint. I want to try to keep it a little on the thick side. Okay, and then I can come over here and I'll do the center here of the bow. And the little snap here. That's why I use red, because then I don't have to cover the entire thing. And do these little buttons back here. There we go with the painting. I wanted to do one last thing because I just think it's so darn cute. These are called bean Thread-Noodles. It's a rice noodle that you get at the grocery store in the international aisle. And what I did is they come in their white, and I airbrushed them. And these make great little eyelashes. So we could just pop, and they're edible, so we can just pop a few of these in here, maybe 3 on each side. Just give them a little something something. I like to look for the ones that are a little more curved. If one's longer, then you can either push it in a little further or kind of snap it off. And there we go. There's our cute little puppy. Again, like I said at the beginning, this is a great one for you to start with if you haven't sculpted any cakes before, because there's no structure involved, and it's fun. You know, it could be any kind of dog, right? Any kind of dog you want, or I did say how you could turn it into a different kind of animal. So go ahead and go for it. Don't be afraid of your cake.